My name is David. I'm with RIDGID, here to introduce you to the RIDGID line of water jetters. We have 4 models that I'm going to be showing you today, starting out with the KJ1350, KJ1750, KJ2200, and KJ3100. The numbers in the model name essentially lines up with the amount of PSI that each machine can produce. And I'm going to start out with the smallest and work my way up. So, the KJ1350 is an excellent sink machine. 1.25 to 4-inch capacity, 1.4 gallons per minute. This unit is nice, small, lightweight. You're going to be able to get that into the areas where you need to use. KJ1750, also 1.25 to 4-inch capacities. This unit has a dual pulse. I forgot to mention we have pulse on the 1750 as well. The dual pulse is going to get you around those tight corners down the line and help you to navigate the line. The KJ2200 is our first gas-powered machine, 2200 PSI, 2.4 gallons per minute. And this unit is going to get you into the larger lines, and it's going to be used as an outdoor machine generally. And the KJ3100 is really the best of both worlds. You've got a 16 horsepower, 31 PSI, 5.5 gallons per minute. And this unit here has the hose reel comes off, comes with a foot pedal, and you can bring the reel inside, run the gas motor outside. This is going to run from 2-inch to 10-inch lines. It does have the pulse feature, also comes with a pressure wash wand and a 16 horsepower motor. This unit can, and actually all of these units, will allow you to clear soft blockages and to bring the pipe back to its original capacity by really scrubbing the walls of the pipe. The 2 gas models, the 2 electric models, are going to give you all the different capacities and basically the motor style that's going to suit your needs.